The journey of chicken farming chicks from day 1 to 4 weeks. Chicks require careful brooding, clean water, quality starter feed, vaccination, and controlled heating. On arrival, 1-day-old chicks should be placed in a clean, disinfected brooder with fresh water, mixed with glucose or vitamins for the first few hours, then given chick starter mash or crumbs continuously. Heating should start at about 32 to 35 degrees Celsius during the first week, then reduced by around 2 to 3 degrees Celsius each week. While observing chick behavior, if they crowd under the heat source, they are cold. If they move far away and pant, they are too hot. During the first week, chicks are usually vaccinated against Marek's disease at hatchery level and may receive Newcastle disease and infectious bronchitis vaccines, depending on the local vaccination program.